Hello everyone, welcome to day 41 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, we are going to crochet this beautiful crochet heart stitch. This is a variation of the crocodile stitch. You can see that it looks slightly like crocodile scales, but then because Valentine's Day is around the corner, I thought I'll just make a fun heart stitch pattern. So to make this stitch, you need a foundation chain of 6 multiples, that is you need to crochet multiples of 6 plus 1. Okay, so just for the video's sake, I'm going to do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 stitches plus 1. Okay, so now you start at the 5th chain. 2, so 1, so this is the chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make 2 double crochets. Into the 5th chain you make 2 double crochet stitches. Okay, and then you chain 1. So this 5 stitches, it counts as 1 double crochet and a chain 2. So you chain 2 and then skip 2 and make 2 double crochets. Okay, again chain 2, skip 2 and then 2 double crochets. We're going to continue making this till the end of the row. Okay, so at the end you have 2 stitches left. At the last stitch you again chain 2 and you make 1 double crochet. So basically you start with 1 double crochet. Okay, I'm just going to chain 1. The last one is just chain 1 and 1 double crochet. So the row starts with 1 double crochet and ends with 1 double crochet. So you get something like a mesh here. Now the next row is where we are going to do the crocodile stitch, right? So for the row 2, just chain 1, turn your work and you make a single crochet. Okay, on top of the double crochet that you made, you will make a single crochet. Now, so this part is going to be the front of your work and this is the back side of the work. That is the second part row that you have turned is going to be the back side of the work. You have to turn here and you have to go in between these 2 double crochets. So you see this V here. We are going to place 5 double crochet stitches onto this one. So that is what is going to form these 3D kind of heart. Now you are making something like a front post. Make 5 double crochets onto that double crochet post. So that is 3, 4. If it helps, you can just slightly fold your stitch like this so that the post that you are crocheting is on the top. So I have 5 double crochets. Now you have to start crocheting on the second double crochet. That is, initially I placed a stitch on this double crochet. Now I am going to place it on this double crochet. So before that, we need the heart shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a picot at the end of the row. That is, I'm going to chain 3, and you see the base here, right? So I made chain 3, and you can see the base of the stitch here. So this is the first chain and this is the base. You have to go into that base like this and make a slip stitch. Okay, now you are going to move to the second post, that is right here, and make 5 double crochets. So you take up the post like a front post and you start doing your double crochet. Now again on this side we have 5 double crochets. Now you have to kind of connect it to this base here. Okay, so we used the first V stitch for the heart. Now we are going to connect it between these 2 stitches. That is, I'm going in between these 2 stitches and I'm going to do a slip stitch. Okay, then you move on to the next stitch and again make 5 double crochets. Then a picot stitch, and again 5 double crochet into the next post. And connect it to the V stitch in between the V. Okay, so now you can see these hearts forming. Now for the last heart, okay, so make sure you go from the bottom to the front here. So if you're going to crochet like this, you will start your heart, it will form in the reverse like this. So the heart will go like this. So make sure you go from, so this is closer to me, so you go from your side to the side that's away from you. Make a picot stitch, then make the next 5 double crochet stitches, okay. Now make a single crochet on the last chain, that is on the last double crochet here. Now we are going to start off with the chain 3 and you are going to make the 2 double crochet stitches between the V right here. You see this part here, and the next 2 double crochets, again chain 2, and the next 2 double crochets into this. Okay, you see these V's at the back. Okay, I'm going to show that again. You're going to start the row with a chain 3 and one more chain for the space, and you go between this portion here and make a V stitch, that is 2 double crochet into it. Again chain 2, go into the next one, next V, that is right here, between the 2 double crochets, and make the V stitch. So into each of the 2 double crochet stitch you'll be making the next layer of mesh or next layer of V stitches, creating the base for the next row. So if you want to change color, you have to change color at this point. And again chain 1, the last thing is chain 1 and do a double crochet on the previous row's first stitch. Okay, it should have something like this. Now again chain 1, turn, make a single crochet, and now we are going to place the stitches onto in between the 2 hearts right here. Okay, if you want an interlaced effect, if you crochet the hearts into this, it's going to overlap the stitches. Okay, so now after the single crochet you have to chain 1, slip stitch into the first V, and then you make 1 single crochet, make 1 more slip stitch between the into the chain, and then start off with the very first heart. Okay, so you're going to find the post right here and make 5 double crochets. So basically what it does is you're just going to offset the heart between the 2 hearts right here, so that each and every stitch it's visible. Okay, now again chain 3 and make a picot, and you have to continue this till the end of the row. Again the next row you'll be creating these V stitches, and the next row will be a heart. So the back of the stitch, it will look something like this. You can see that. So this is the back of the heart and this is the V stitch. So you can see that we have alternated the stitches. Okay, so do try this out, and if you have any doubts, leave it in the comment section. We will attend to it, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.